Hello, my name is Dikyo.
My name is Ijam.
My name is Eugene.
My name is Pasiha.
My name is Matiha.
So, as we know, our university is going to have an activity or event.
On Natural Week.
Yeah, on the Nature Week. So we have to organize this any activities that are suitable for this campaign. So, any of you have any idea
Yes, of
that
course.
we think suitable for this upcoming Nature Week?
Yes. Yeah.
My suggestion is we should organize some activity like preventing tree because there was many tree was cut down.
So, this tree is any kind of tree.
Yeah, that's any kind of tree.
Ah.
Just to ensure the balancing of the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. So we can get a fresh air to breathe in. And yeah, and also as a habitat of flora and fauna, because there was many activity of human in forest, we was destroy their shelter and their habitat. And the other idea I should suggest is we should go to the seaside to replanting a mangrove at the mangrove area, so we can make when it grow up we can make it as a wall to protect our land from the wave or natural disaster like tsunami, something like that.
Although I think that your point is a good point, but then I think organizing a trip to national park is the best way. Why? Because we should learn how to keep the good condition of our environment so that our new generation can feel what we feel now. So therefore, going to national park is the best and most effective way for us to get closer to the environment. And when we go to the national park, we will try to amaze with the God creatures, and we will discover and know more about new animals and plants. That besides, we can also enlighten the importance of flora and fauna. As everyone knows that flora and fauna is really very important for our biodiversity to get more. That's my point.
Yes.
Food chain to balance the food
Yeah,
chain.
to balance the biodiversity.
Okay, thank you, Eugene. Okay, we go to my suggestion. Okay, I suggest we can go to camping at Taman Negara. Why I choose Taman Negara as a venue for our camping is because Taman Negara is Malaysia's prime national park and reserve forest that the leading of ecotourism destination on the Malay Peninsula. Tour companies offer a package, a variety of package, including the transportation to Kuala Lumpur. So the package was so cheap, and we don't have to pay. We don't have to pay a cost for a guided tour to explore the Taman Negara. And we will stay at Taman Negara. In my suggestion, we will stay at Taman Negara for 5 days. So we can do a lot of activities such as hiking the Gunung Tahan and Bukit Teresik. And so and before we start our activity, we can having a breakfast at Mutiara restaurant.
Will it cost a lot if we like going for 5 days?
No, because I have checked all the costs and I think it's suitable for student. Yes.
So about the Gunung Tahan, what else can you do in Gunung Tahan?
Okay, in Gunung Tahan, when we arrived at the
Please.
yes at the place, at the true place, we will see a lot of. We will see
Nature.
yes a nature
You
like
also
you can see a
can
beautiful scenery from there.
Bird watching.
Yeah,
Bird-
what?
bird watching.
Yes.
And even stargazing at night.
And then yeah, and we also can visit Kampung Orang Asli. Okay, and we can see how they live in the forest for centuries and can teach how to make a fire by using a blowpipe. And yeah, oh, that's all from me. And I think I have a lot of, but I think
That's enough.
yes.
Thank you, Zena. So for me, it's organize a recycling drive in your neighborhood or at school. collect bottles, glass, plastic, newspaper, or books and take them to your local recycling center or a charity in need. For example, activity is school recycling program, poster contest, office recycling program, and years exchange.
Although this is a very good activities, but then I think it is more suitable for us to go outdoor compared to indoor.
Oh, so
Yeah.
but yeah, we can do this in both situations. Like maybe someone that prefer it indoor, but someone prefer outdoor. So for someone that don't
But I
want to
think
go outside, they can go
outdoors more better.
with her idea.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for this poster contest, what is the theme that you want to for the contestant?
So the theme of the contest will probably about how to keep our environment clean.
Oh yeah, that quite nice. And but for me, I think that another event or another activity that we can organize is paperless campaign. So as we know, people often use paper as medium to store infos. Because of that, their cabinets is full of papers. It looks
Untidy?
untidy and kind of messy.
Yeah.
But through this paperless campaign, we can use especially gadgets, electronic gadgets like phone, computer, pen drive, USB, and so on. So this stuff or this technology will help us instead of using a lot of paper to install information. We can use that to install infos. So it is easy for us to store information.
Paperless campaign is a long-term way that we can practice it in our university instead of only for natural
Zero
way.
waste.
Yeah.
So that's why you have to start with us. Be the first one. Like the demonstrate people how going using paperless technology will make our job easier.
Yeah.
So do you just think like if you want to hand in your assignment, you prefer doing it
Yeah, of
using
course I
internet or paper?
prefer using it to send by internet because it's more convenient for us and we don't need another money to print a lot of paper and later on the paper is like trash.
Yeah, wasted.
Yeah.
So that's why I think that kind of agree with my own opinion.
But then I still think that your opinions, your activities should be in long term that we
Yes.
can practice in university, but
Yeah.
not
So this is the
only-
first
Not only
thing.
in the week of the
nature week.
Yeah, but no, this campaign is only to open the eye of students so that they might change their mindset. Maybe one day they will do this campaign.
I think
at a place.
you can organize a recycling campaign and a paperless campaign at the same time in the universities. And at the same time, this is for indoors activities and for outdoors, we can reconsider about to the national park or camping at the Taman Negara. So, what do you guys think that which is the most suitable?
Of course, I'm happy.
So you agree with your own point?
Yes, because
Yeah.
I have a lot of.
Same goes to me as well. But yeah, I think that each points of that we have stated is quite right, and then there's no objection, even though there's a little bit objection, but we can consider it a bit. So I hope that this Nature Week is going to be a blast.
Yeah, I think in conclusion, we can organize a recycling campaign and your paperless campaign at the same time, and at the same time we can go camping at the Taman Negara. That's the best way for us to blast the nature week.
Yeah. So that's all from us. Thank you and bye.
Thank you.